Good day, everyone. My name is Rudison Casarigo, and now I will present to you the BMGO, or Vision, Mission, Goals and Objectives of ISPSC. First, the vision. Vision, a vibrant and nurturing polytechnic service college for transforming lives and communities. Mission, to improve the lives of people and communities through quality instruction, innovations, productivity, initiatives, environment and industry feasible technologies, resource mobilization, and transformational outreach programs and services. Goals and objectives. First, they will be IT professionals engaged in careers such as IT specialist, web and mobile applications developer, network engineer, database administrator, and system administrator. Second, capable of engaging in professional growth, competent and technology-oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities relevant to profession, which includes earning and higher learning degrees or completing professional advancement training. Third, the graduates will be adaptive to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individually, member of leader of a team, and communicate effectively and ensures social and ethical responsibilities in the community and in their profession.
Dreams and visions within the minds of the nobles, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Men endowed with the wisdom and honor, molded the pride of society, for singing victorious praises. In local circle techniques that college, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once realized, be close to every heart, with warm motherly embrace for all. Like a knight in shining armor, guiding star of searching souls, singing victorious praises. The local circle techniques they college, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Request to provide us with in life and minds to rest contently your endeavors, enabling each to share wherever we are towards greater height. We go forth and serve God and fellow men, for within we will shine. Singing victorious praises in local circle techniques they college, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Long live our alma mater. Long live ISPSC.